Welcome back, everybody. I just got done streaming over at twitch.tv/Charvana, and I am ready for some more Jujutsu Kaisen. You ready to dive right into this with me? Let's do it. I'm ready to be entertained. This is Season 1, Episode 6, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Going inside! Makes me always think of like those Rugrat ones. It always goes all the way back to Rugrats, where it was like swallowing a watermelon seed, and that whole episode terrified me as a child. Terrified me. Bounce. Confident. It's kind of like the blood is all pooling on one side of his body too, so it's kind of interesting to see. Because I was thinking, like, no, like it'd still be going all through. No, he's super dead, so no reason that his blood wouldn't just be like all wadded up. Much similarly to the opening, where there's a whole bunch of water. I'm still so surprised. I'm still so surprised they would even do or choose this. I am very excited also to see him face off against the ultimate curse as well. Just be like, hey, I'm just a normal person. And the Panthers make so much more sense now. Trying to discern anything else that I can through this. A little bit of bomb-like finger power, maybe. Spooky. Nails. I don't think I ever caught her nails in this opener. And I saw the guy with the slitted head now. Is there more people? What to see? Okay. Away we go. After rain. Ooh, perfect. We have a rainstorm over on my Twitch channel, so. Oh, rain. Yeah. Are you quite literally inside his body? But, like, that wouldn't make any sense. Splash. Welcome to my mind palace. Hmm. Not with the second half. Especially not willingly. Injure or kill. Won't do that. Solid hit. Even with all your eyes, you didn't see that coming. Yeah. Fight to the death, but like... Uh, uh. Nice. I'm a little bummed. It's almost like he was just waiting for it to happen. Like, he's like, yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah, just wee bit. Doesn't even have a hole or a scar. Hmm. Uh, he didn't even ask you to do anything. Spontaneously combustion. That's why it is. This is why that happens. Whew. Yeah, okay. So good on that guy leaving. Okay. I don't know how you sense that. I guess it's just like a feeling that some people could get, but glad that he left. Wonder if we'll see him again. Mm. Mm. Well, he cared enough to come by. That shows some character growth. Little chills on that one. Kelp. Ah! Ah! She's like, I just do what I do. I got a job. Ah, cute. Pew, pew. That was very JoJo. Gosh, I love simplistic explanations for these things. Mm. Yeah, start small. Whereas the other two are working on close combat, and you're working on the other. He's very my fighting style of games. Just run up and punch it. Mhm. Yes. Perfect. Ah, I love it. Nice transitions too in the show. Burnout. Rom-coms and stuff make you cry? Yes, let's go. Okay. Ah, ah. Are these real things, I wonder? Okay. Okay, so it's just like a constant like level of cursed energy, level of emotion that you put into the bear. Hmm. Huh? Ooh, got a compliment from the big man. Ooh. Did he put it inside of shadows? Put weapons inside of shadows and then pull them out? That's pretty fire. Or even teleport himself. The gasp. Ah! Not good! No deals with demons, even if it's bringing you back to life. Okay, okay. Every person knows not to make deals with demons. Why would you make a deal with a demon? I understand you're coming back to life, but at the same time, like, oh my god, don't make deals with demons, especially little cursed demons that are just like giant curses. Like, he's quite literally your face right now, and just why? Why would you make those deals? I get it. Like, he says he's not gonna hurt anybody, he's not gonna kill anybody, but at the same time, that's total non-consent to take over your entire body for at least a minute. I hate it. I hate it already. I don't know when it's going to come about, and I just have a feeling Sukuna is going to use it in order to have somebody else do something bad. And I already foresee that being a case. I don't think it'll be with this Gojo and Jogo fight, right? Is that right? Are they just flipped opposites? I am so curious about this fight that's about to go down. We know that the guy with the scarred head is very encouraging this capture of Gojo by Jogo, and I'm wondering if there's any tie between the names and seeing if they already know each other, or if there's anything like that, or if it's just two common names and they're just like, hey, thrown out there. But I don't think he's actually going to get captured, and if he does get captured, will that set us on a new trajectory storyline of trying to rescue him, our main teacher, Gojo. Gojo is coming up with all these new different abilities for our main character, Itadori, to actually like learn his curse power. I am enjoying so much the parallel seeing between him and Fushiguro, and seeing like one needs to work on close combat, one needs to actually work on cursed abilities, and it's just fun to see the different dimensions of that. We didn't really get to see Fushiguro do any of the like close-up stuff, and I get why we didn't. I wish we got to see some of the training progress right there, because it would be more fun to see them actually even montage it out, being like, you're bad at this, you're bad at this, but at the same time, if you guys learn together on different ends, then you'll still get like perfectly where you're supposed to be. I do like, and I am curious to theorize, I shall say, he will use weapons in the future, but the weapons that he will use will be like coming in and out of shadows, or if not him using them coming in and out of shadows, will he be able to walk in and out of shadows, like almost teleporting himself? Because we did see him like directly reach into shadows, which was kind of cool. Genuinely, that would be a really neat move to say, like, now he has this like super ninja ability to be able to like pop out wherever he wants to, as long as there's like shade. Interested to see where this is going to go as far as cursed abilities. The bear, I'm a little confused by the bear. Like, I guess I'm still learning the rules of the cursed energy. So not every emotion counts, but every emotion counts as long as you're focusing them, is what I'm understanding, because you can still be like massively angry, but it burns off. Instead, you have to be angry to a specific output in order to make sure it is useful. And that's what we're learning as Itadori right now, is what I am understanding. I do like it. I love when we have explanations, because definitely having something that's completely supernatural and that is uncommon, not something I would normally think of. This is our world building, and I am so glad we had that with the can being, whether it's flicked with energy and smushed or twisted with energy and like having a technique. I'm still enjoying Eri, and I hope we get to see her more. I believe that's how you say the medical examiner's name. I don't know if she is somebody that is just going to be in the morgue area, or if she's actually part of the school. She seemed to be part of the school as well. So I hope we get to see more of her, because she was kind of fun. We also are saying that Itadori is still dead for the time being, but he is going to be transferring or doing the transfer program. So see him pop out of nowhere and just come back with that will just be a surprise, and I'm excited to see everybody's reactions. Speaking of people that I'm starting to like and get to know better, the second years, specifically Zenin, if I'm remembering right. I mean, there's something about characters when they're just like, no nonsense, just do what they do, but they're still just kind of like, you got so much more to learn too. So she's over here just like, I am here for a job. My job is to defeat these curses, and if I save people, I save people. Cool. Everybody has different motivations, and it's still interesting to see these characters where they start and what's going to happen where they potentially get the growth. So we see this character, and she's not an unlikable character by any means, but you can definitely be like, you got some growing up to do. You got some advancement to go. But do like to see that, and I like to see the growth that she can give Fushiguro when it comes to weapons and stuff. Love Panda. Already love Panda. He's so cute. Little flexing and everything. Let's go. I just hope we get more information on the second year that only speaks in food right now. I want to see more of that character. I need to know more about that character. Maybe next time. In the meantime, everybody, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you next time. Bye for now.